Today we'll show you how to download Delta Force for free in your laptop. Okay guys, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, go to open your Steam, okay, and open your account. Of course, you need to have account in application of the Steam. Okay, after this, go to store and go now to this search. Okay, click to search and click now right Delta Force. This is the name of the game. Okay, will be find Delta Force 2, Delta Force 1, Delta Force Extreme. This is all for paying. Okay, but now we need Delta Force for free. This is Delta Force for free. Just click it. This is the last version, and you can do everything. It's here. It's a very good game. I like it. I like it. I like it. Okay guys, after this just go now to this is here. You will find to free to play and play the game, and will be fine to add to library. Okay, just click to add to library. Just click one click with your left of mouse like this, and okay, and now go to your library. 1 second guys, and will be find it's here Delta Force, and just click to install, and finally will be downloading in your PC. Okay, you need in your disk 88 GB. Okay, just install it and download in your PC, and good luck in this game. It's a very good game. Just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.